Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can transfer funds from centralized exchange to Ton wallet for Hamster Kombat Airdrop. Now you can go ahead and connect different centralized exchanges to Hamster Kombat. So one is Bybit, then there is KuCoin, then there is BitGet. Now if you don't have an account on Bybit, you can sign up using my referral link in the description, which will give you the highest tier of rewards, which up to $30,000. Or alternatively, you can use my referral code as CRYPTOADULT. Now, apart from this, apart from signing on Bybit, you will be getting access to different airdrops on the Bybit centralized exchange. Now, once you are here, all you have to do is you will need to go to airdrop in the bottom, which is this one. And if you haven't connected your Ton wallet, you can go ahead and connect your Ton wallet. So if you are using mobile, you can go ahead and connect Ton Keeper or maybe BitGet wallet. Now, in this case, I have used a BitGet wallet over here. So simply click on this blue thing over here, and as you can see there is this wallet address over here. So simply go ahead and press on copy over here. Now as you can see, I have copied this address, or alternatively if you want you can go ahead and check your wallet over here. So this is the BitGet wallet, so simply go ahead and click on deposit over here and click on receive, and over here you can go ahead and search for Ton. So if I click on Ton over here, as you can see, this one is the same address as the one that I have connected over here. Now since I have already copied this address, simply head to your centralized exchange over here. So in this video I will be using Bybit. Simply head to assets over here, click on withdraw. In the search for Ton. Now simply click on Ton over here and paste the wallet address that you have copied. So I'm going ahead and pasting this. And as you can see, there is a small withdrawal fee of zero point 0.1 Ton. Now you don't need a tag or memo, and simply put in the amount that you want to transfer. For example, if you want to actually send 1 Ton, you can type 1 Ton over here and simply click on withdraw over here. Now I don't have any Ton left in my Bybit centralized exchange. That's the reason why it's not giving me the option to withdraw. But once you do that, after a minute or so, this Ton would be reflected in your Ton wallet, which you can use it for Hamster Kombat Airdrop. So this is all for this video with regards to transferring funds from a centralized exchange for the Hamster Kombat Airdrop on the Ton wallet. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.